Divorce is not an easy process, especially when assets are involved. The largest asset usually is the family home. Hi, I'm Allison Miller. Not everyone decides to sell their home, but it doesn't hurt to get a head start in a couple things. Try and leave the home in show-ready condition, and that means decluttered and cleaned or staged. Homes that are in show-ready condition or staged tend to sell quicker and for more money. Hire an experienced realtor to help navigate through this entire process. Both parties will need to agree upon a realtor, or the court may appoint one. There are agents that specialize in divorcing spouses, which is important during the divorce because it can bring up some uncommon situations, and you need an expert to handle that while staying a neutral party. Prior to listing your home, we're going to discuss pricing correctly, marketing strategy to expose your home to the masses, the showing process, and so much more. Of course, you will want to consult your attorney in regards to the specifics of your divorce settlement because I'm not an attorney, but I can help you and your spouse with one of the largest assets, the sale of your home. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.